Welcome to BALAJI Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see the division algorithm. Very first, let us start with the concept. So, for the concept, I have taken the very simple example, like whenever the 9 is divided with the 2, the quotient will be the 4 and the remainder will be the 1, like 2 4 is 8 and 9, like 9 minus 8, which is like 1. So, the terminology is, this is a divisor and this is a dividend and this is the quotient and the leftover value is the remainder. You all know, I think, like 2 4 is 8, 8 plus the remainder, like divisor into the quotient plus the remainder will give the value dividend. You can see here, like divisor into quotient plus remainder will give the value dividend. So remember this words. So in that case, let us find the answer to this question. The question is like, the divisor is 25 times the quotient, like the divisor equals to 25 times the quotient and 5 times the remainder, like same divisor which is equals to the 5 times the remainder. If quotient is 16, then dividend is we need to find. So then dividend we need to find. So here the quotient is given like 16. Apply in this one, like 25 into 16 will be the divisor, 25 into 16 will be the divisor. Now same divisor which is equals to the 5 into r, like 5 into 16. Now the r will be the 5 into 16, the divisor will be the 25 into 16, the remainder will be the 5 into 16. Now dividend we have derived here, like dividend which is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So the divisor which is like 25 into 16, the quotient is 16 and the remainder will be the 5 into 16. If you solve all this, you will get the dividend as, you will get the value as 6480, which is option B. Now let us move to the successive division. Successive division means, if a number is divided with the one number, we will get the one quotient. To that quotient we are again dividing with the another number, like to the quotient we are doing the multiple divisions, like continuous divisions. So that is meant by the successive divisions. So in the, if you question ask the successive division is, you need to use the trick like this, like the question is, when 72 is successively divided by 5 3 2, it leaves remainder 2 2 0 respectively. Like when 72 is dividing with 5 and 3 and 2, is leaving the remainder 2 2 and 0. Let us check once. Like here you need to write the quotient, like 5 14 which is like 70, here the remainder will be the 2, like here you need to write the quotient here, you need to write the remainder here, like 5 into 14 plus 2 will give the same result. Again 3 4 is 12 and remainder will be the 2. So you can see here we will getting the remainder 2 and 2, again 2 2 is 4 and remainder will be the 0. So you are getting the remainder as 2 2 0. If the question asks successive division means, you need to use this trick, you need to write the quotient below and the remainder at the right side. So again, now let us find the answer to this question, like find the smallest possible number when divided by 5 3 2, it leaves remainder 3 2 1. So it is like it leaving the remainder 3 2 1 when divided with 5 3 2. So the smallest possible number we need to find. So if the question asks find the smallest possible number means, here you need to take the multiple as 0, like 2 into 0, 0 plus 1 which is like 1, here you will get. Again 3 into 1 which is like 3, 3 plus 2 which is like 5, again 5 into 5 plus 3 which is like 5 into 5 25, 25 plus 3 which is like 28, which is option B. So if the question is like successive division, we need to find the smallest possible number when dividing with that number and leaving the remainders. Then you will need to take the value as 0. Sometimes this type of questions may get also repeated. So I have taken a few of them and I am showing to you. So if you learned anything in this video, please do a like and support by subscribing. If your friends are preparing for the aptitude, please share my videos. Thank you for the watching.